Hi, I'm Chantal Parker and I'm Miss Sheffield, Great Britain 2018. I can't sing or dance, but I can do the Rubik's Cube.
Oh, I lost you once, but I found you.
And it's not just at home where I can do the cube. I can even do the Rubik's Cube at the gym.
It's closer. It's time for us to think about us. It's time for you to think about you. When we lay together in the dust.
I could also do the Rubik's Cube at the supermarket.
Wanted to. We're heading for a deeper, deeper love. We're heading for a deeper, deeper love.
I can even do the Rubik's Cube at an old petrol station. Even my 13 little friends help me when I do the Rubik's Cube. I can even do the Rubik's Cube whilst blindfolded.
If we're diving in, let's go head first until we're flying. 'Cause we never know just what we're worth until we try it. It's time for us to think about us. It's time for you to think about you. When we lay together in the dust, no, we did everything we wanted to. We're heading for a deeper, deeper love. We're heading for a deeper, deeper love. And now we found our way. Yeah, we found our way. We're heading for a deeper love. Oh, 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 oh. We're heading for a deeper, deeper love. Oh, 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 oh. We're heading for a deeper.
Thank you for joining me on my Rubik's Cube adventure. I hope you had as much fun watching it as I did making it.